Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power because most failures are electrical. Use a multimeter to confirm 12V at the pump while someone flips the switch. If you see low voltage, trace to battery, fuse, and ground. Once done, clean and tighten any corroded terminals and replace a blown fuse with the correct rating. Make sure connectors are seated. Gentle wiggling can reveal intermittent faults. If the pump still shows no hum, prepare to remove the unit for deeper inspection. Once you have power confirmed, remove the pump from its mount and label hose positions so you reinstall correctly. Open the housing and examine the impeller closely. Debris or bent blades reduce flow and cause noise. Carefully extract any fishing line, weeds, or barnacle buildup, and check the volute for cracks. Replace a worn impeller. It's inexpensive and often resolves issues. Relubricate O-rings with marine grease and reassemble, ensuring hose clamps are snug, but not over-tighten to avoid crushing hoses. Reinstall the pump, reconnect battery, and run a live test with the tank partially filled to observe flow and aeration. Listen for steady motor tone. A stuttering sound indicates air ingestion or electrical issues. Check hose clamps, intake screens, and seals for leaks or suction loss. If flow is weak but motor runs smoothly, suspect a blocked intake or damaged impeller. If motor is hot or humming without pumping, suspect electrical or internal failure. As a final step, try a known good pump or contact the manufacturer for parts or warranty service.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.